guys, this is Alekhya and welcome back to our channel Channel Stories. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. So yes, we are in Charminar right now. So for people who are in Hyderabad, definitely you would love this place because this is the actual Hyderabad. So you get lot of Hyderabadi food here and bangles, pearls, whatnot, breakfast and chai. That is the best thing here. But people who are not from Hyderabad, I would say you would love this video. And when you visit Hyderabad, definitely this is the must place.
Guys, so now that we are in Charminar, one of the best things for me in Charminar is their breakfast. There is a place called Govind Dosa, which is very famous, especially with the different types of dosas they do. And usually, whenever I'm in and around this area, I try to have breakfast here, and also some good places for tea and other stuff. But that will come later in this video. But right now, I'm going to Govind Dosa, so just keep following me. Okay, so that place in the background, that is Govind Dosa. You can see the rush, right? You must understand. And this is around 11:30 in the morning. It's not even too early for breakfast, but you can still see how busy this place is because they make really amazing dosas. I'm not sure if I'll be trying one, but if you are in this area, make sure to go ahead and try this place out. It's really good, and I will leave you the directions to this place in the description. Please go and check it out. Now let's keep moving.
As I told you guys that this place is also famous for pearls. So I'll be showing you this street which is entirely filled with pearl shop. So let me show you that and let's walk towards Charminar.
The Charminar is a monument and mosque in Hyderabad, India. So, Charminar is taken from two words, Char and Minar, which translate as four towers in English. The structure was built in 1591 AD and it is probably the most famous building of Hyderabad and also one of the most famous buildings in India.
Right now, I am going to one of my favorite places again here in Charminar. This is for tea, basically. This is called Nimra Cafe, and you could have seen the logo NCB on some of the other posts. So that is what it is. So let me go to Nimra Cafe and pick up a nice glass of chai while you can actually see the streets of Charminar in my background. Yeah, so that is how they look. I'm not sure why is it so busy today. It's being a Sunday and almost late in the day, but that is how it is. We kind of picked the wrong day, but should be good. So let me just head to the cafe and then pick up some tea and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so now that you've seen a glimpse of Nimra Cafe, I've ordered for 2 chai. I'm not ordering for biscuits, even the biscuits are good, but again, this is close to lunchtime and there are some other places also I would like to show you. Alright, so here we go. Good that they are giving in disposable glasses because the last time I was here, that was before lockdown, they give the regular cups, but this time this is disposable. Let me take a quick sip. The taste is still good, just the way it is. Just that the climate is a little hot. I'm not able to actually enjoy the taste, but it's really nice. As a bonus, he has also given me biscuits. I did not ask for it, but he said, pair it up with some biscuits. So that's how friendly people are here, and it's really nice. So let me finish this chai and the biscuits too, and then I'll take you out to another good place where you can find some really nice food. So keep watching.
Okay, guys, now that we had tea, we are moving to the Bangle Street. We also have bangles on the street as well. I'll show you. There are a lot of things on the street shopping. So if you want to buy here, you can do. Or there is a separate lane for bangles in stores. They have a lot of collection, and especially this bangles, they are really, they have huge collection for weddings especially. And also people come from a lot of places to Hyderabad to buy bangles in Charminar. So let me take you to that lane. And meanwhile, what I was planning today is like I wanted to go on the top of Charminar, like inside, but I'm not sure we'll go because there is a lot of crowd inside, so I'm not sure of that. But let's see. So meanwhile, I'll be taking you to that lane. Look at these guys, they are just chit chatting while I'm vlogging. So she's my niece, she came with us today, and this fellow is always busy with phone. So the street which I'll show you now is the street where I buy bangles all the time. Even for my wedding I got it from here. So let's go. This is the store where I got for my wedding the bangles. So let's see what collection they have. Okay guys, so we are done buying bangles, and the shop we bought is Nagina Bangles. Yeah, Nagina Bangles. They give good discount, so if you want to come.
Yeah, she spent like almost 2 hours in the store. And
I did.
She just bought few bangles.
I just bought what is required. So as
She
I
bought
told,
what is not required also.
just shut up, okay? So this shop is in Lad Bazaar, right? This lane is Lad Bazaar. So just right side to Charminar, you can go and take a first left. You'll get the Bangle Street where you get good discounts. So if you want to buy, you can come here. And let's go.
We're now heading. We get kind of actually feeling hungry right now, so we kind of heading to have some food. So there are two places in choice. One is my all-time favorite for biryani. It's called Shadab, and that is in Charminar as well. And the other place is called Akbar Fast Food. So let me decide where I'm planning to go, and I'll take you there and show you what is special there, and I'll tell you more about the food there. Okay? See you there. The next place I would like to take you here is in the background. It's called Al Akbar Fast Food. Let me switch the camera over. This is the place. I used to have good memories here. You know, especially when we were doing college, this was one of our favorite places to have. Do try out their chicken 65, which is really amazing. Let me see if they have open or not, and I'll show you what I'll order. Looks like the place is open, so we are just getting in to go. So they have a ground floor, and they also have a first floor, which is basically the family section. This is what they have. So they do biryanis as well, but I'm here for this, the chicken 65 boneless and the varki paratha. Alright, so the order is placed, one chicken 65 boneless full and with some varki paratha. So this is the paratha, let me show it to you guys. So this is the paratha. They are really nice actually, and they're only 5 rupees, which is really a good deal. And this is the 65, which I was talking about. They're really nice. So they have half and full portions. So we went with the full portion since we were 3 people. And the secret, they have a nice gravy. I don't know what is it called, but this gravy tastes really nice. So you should definitely try this out. So let us go ahead, eat the food, and then I'll tell you if the taste remains the same or has it changed over the years. Ciao. And this paratha with this chicken 65 and this gravy. It still tastes amazing, just like always. And I love this place for this. Definitely do try this out. While we are walking forward, another important thing that you'll find in this area is sugarcane juice. So in Charminar, you'll find a lot of sugarcane juice places, and they're kind of famous here. So if you want to try them out, you can try. They're also very cheap, and they're and there's a lot of demand for sugarcane juice here in this location. So if you want to try that, then please go ahead and do so. We are moving into a different location now. Now that we've had some food, this street has a lot of clothing related items. So we're just following through the street.
So as Tarak told you, so this street is completely wedding dresses. So you will be having a lot of chimki on the dresses. So I'll just show you how it looks. So if you're interested, you can come to this street.
After we finished street shopping and we checked out some clothes shopping, right now we have come to one of my other favorite places, and this place is famous for their biryani. And this restaurant is called Shadab, and this is located near Madina Center. So we have just reached this location. So you can ask anybody where is Shadab and or Madina Center, and they will guide you to this location. So we ordered the mutton family pack. This consists of 2 mutton biryani, which you can see here. This is half chicken manchuria. This is, they said, veg curry. I think this is basically dal, I believe so. You have some dessert, kubani ka meetha. You have some raita and salan, that's accompaniments, and you have 2 rumali rotis. So this overall costs you 800 bucks. I think it's a good deal. Okay guys, so after such a good meal in Shadab, where I think you already seen some nice mutton biryani, some chicken manchuria, that platter is really worth it. Do try their mutton family pack if in case you're coming here to dine. I think it's good for around 2 to 3 people, that's what I would say, maybe 4 as well. Now, having said all that, I think we are coming to the end of part 1, and stay tuned around the channel, guys. We also have a part 2, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to go ahead and like this video, comment below, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Having said all that, this is Tarak from Tile Stories, and that's Alekia in the background. We both signing off. You have a great day. Bye bye.